Hey everyone, Melissa here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very exciting. It is the gorgeous new much anticipated Daydream Collection from Cocoa Vanilla Studio, and I can tell you now that Zoe is a genius when it comes to designing product, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to work with this beautiful collection, and I thought I would show you it immediately. It arrived yesterday and part of me wanted to film myself opening the box of goodies, but then I also knew that I wasn't really set up for filming, but I am now, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the paper. There are 9 double-sided sheets of pattern paper. This one is called All a Flutter, and it's absolutely beautiful with hearts and like a watercolor wash on this side, and the B side is these moths on a soft white sort of poker that's in the same color as that. So I know we all want to fussy cut these. I know I do. This one is called Sweet Serenity. It is a white with like an uneven black poker. Absolutely beautiful. And the other side is this beautiful mixed media look pattern. This is so sweet. It's called Up in the Clouds, and it's like a navy with feather. And oh my goodness, the B side. Totally fussy cuttable as well, with beautiful rainbows and the colours of the collection. This side makes me think of waves or mermaids. It's called Happy Place, and I just love this beautiful uneven scallop. And the B side is a cutter part, and I just love all the sayings, the rainbows, the hearts, beautiful elements in this collection. You could use this collection for documenting everyday, I guess, sort of the pandemic stay-at-home layouts that we're all creating. There's so many options. This one is called Daisy Days, and it's got these beautiful daisies on a soft pale blue, and then a beautiful wreath on the other side. This one is called Stepping Stones, and it's got that sort of washed mixed media look as well. So many beautiful tones, and then this is an uneven stripe on the B side. Zoe always includes an incredible wood grain, and this one is no exception. It's called Over the Rainbow, and it's more of a paler wood grain than, for example, the wood grain in Legendary, and so this is absolutely beautiful. And look at this. This is, I wouldn't even know how to begin dealing with this. It's just so beautiful. I want to frame it and put it on my wall. Then we have this one called Sun Shower, which is beautiful yellow, and some raindrops on the B side. Beautiful grey with uneven white poker called Garden Variety. And then this is absolutely stunning. This is one of my favourite sheets because I love the way these have been designed to be fussy cut, and the clusters are already done for you. They look just stunning on a corner or as a centerpiece under or on a photo. Okay, so let's use this as a background. We also have a 6x8 inch paper stack. So there are 30 single-sided sheets in here, 2 of each of 15 designs, and I'm not going to take these out. I think you can pretty much see that they are a scaled down version of what's in here. We have the sticker sheet. Zoe always includes some beautiful elements, some tabs, some banners, some words, and then a few of the main elements from the collection, like the moths and the rainbows, and I think I said flowers, and a couple of labels, so I could just use that so easily. These are something we've all been anticipating, haven't we? Seeing what these look like in real life. So they are like a glittery sort of gold flecked corduroy in these colours of the collection. They are puffy hearts, and they're just, because they're fabric, they're so textural and totally different to anything else I've seen. We have a, what do we call this? Sequins and flowers pack. So we've got sequins, round sort of traditional sequins, and a few flowers and leaves in there as well. It's so beautiful. And then some of the paper flowers. We have some die-cut titles. I'm not going to read these out to you because you can read them, but these are really, really handy. If you can't think of a title, Zoe's done the work for you. One of my favourite things is always the ephemera pack, so die cut ephemera. Once again, I'm not going to take them out, but you can see there, as with the sticker sheet, it's like the main elements of the collection. We've got houses, floral clusters, single flowers, rainbows, a couple of frames, some more words that you can use to make your titles, hearts, and circular frames, so absolutely stunning. And then, of course, the flare buttons. Always love these as well. Find them hard to use because I almost want to hoard them. But yeah, that is the beautiful new Daydream collection. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough of it. I'm so excited to get creating with it. It's arrived in perfect time for me, and I will have a project up, I think, in about 10 days using this collection. So thanks so much, guys, and take care.